This video will show you how to use PubMed as a full-text finding tool. This means that if you have a title or citation for an article, you can use the PubMed database to locate the full text or PDF of the file. In order to access PubMed from the library's homepage, we're going to choose Resources and then Databases. This will bring you to a list of the library's database resources. You can see here a direct link for PubMed right at the top of the screen, or you'll also find PubMed listed under the medicine tools. Here you'll see a link for PubMed, some additional information on the database, as well as some tutorial information. Just click the PubMed link to access the database. Here at the top of the screen in the search box, you'll enter the title of the article that you wish to search. If you have a citation, you can either hand type that in or just copy and paste. I'm going to copy and paste the title from here. Paste that into the search box and click search. Here you'll see an entry for the article with a brief abstract, a link to the publisher page, and a USA Shield icon. The link to the publisher page will typically take you to a page where you'll be asked to pay for the article. However, by clicking on the USA Shield icon, you can access resources through the library to view the article for free. Here you may need to enter your USA credentials. This is going to be your full USA email address and password. You can also save this to your browser for future reference. Please note that if you save it, you may need to update that password occasionally. Here you see a list of the resources that will allow you access to the article. Please note at the top where it says print issues on the shelf. This means that the journal the article is in is on the shelves of one of the campus libraries in physical copy. That means that you could go to the library and view the journal by taking it off of the shelf. However, this link won't get you a digital version. In order to get a digital version, you want to access one of the additional resources here. We're going to choose EBSCO. When I click that, I'll be taken to a page that includes a PDF link. There may be an HTML link here, but either PDF or HTML will allow you to view the full text. If you click that, you'll be brought to a viewer within your browser. You can either read the full paper within the browser, or if you like, you can choose this link to download the article and save it to your computer. Now let's search for a different article. I have one here from Spine Journal. I'll copy the title, paste it into the search bar, and click search. Again, we'll get the brief abstract within the PubMed database as well as a link to the publisher. However, there's no Search USA Shield icon here. That means that this journal is not included in the library's resources. However, you could still request it through interlibrary loan. Please see the additional videos on requesting items and articles through interlibrary loan.